What up, peeps? Ready to get something done? It's been a minute. It's been a long week. Been a crazy week. Been all over the place doing all kinds of things. Anyways, we have got a work order for a leak under sink that I looked at the other day, and the water is kind of you can see it underneath the tile, the flooring, just barely squeaking up. I couldn't find any water underneath the sink, and there's a little bit of puddle of water underneath the dishwasher. I ran the dishwasher, couldn't find anything. So what I'm thinking is that it's the drain in the wall. And the reason why I say that is because I could see through the little hole drywall and I saw a piece of duct tape. You know how they are, bro. Let's go tear this open, man, see what we find. So this is what we got. See, everything's dry. But you can smell like water, you know, stagnant water, moist. So what we got is right there, right up in that hole. You can see duct tape, and I can see right here at the bottom, I can see a little spotty. So I'm gonna open this up right here to see what we got. Plus down here looks a little discolored. So we'll open it up, see what we got. So we got a piece on top, maybe down at the bottom. You can see the water right through the duct tape. Stupid, man, stupid. Stupid. So, looks like the duct tape's leaking. I wonder why. I wonder why that's leaking, man. You know how long that's probably been leaking. It's leaking right there. There's a hole in it. There's a hole in it. Hold on a second. Freaking hole in it. Wow, that's a good one there, boys. I wonder why there's a hole in it. I wonder if I could put some, I wonder if I could figure out some kind of plug to put in that versus cutting all this out, you know what I mean? I don't know. I do know, bro. What I'm thinking doing is cutting it down here, cut it right there, and redo this whole drain. So if I get rid of all of that and put in one drop for this, then I'll put a new drop over for the garbage disposal. Basically, I'm gonna redo underneath that sink. Let's go do it, bro. You know, I don't understand people, man. Number one, why is there a hole drilled out in that freaking pipe like that? Number two, why would you freaking put a piece of duct tape on it? Man, at least put some Gorilla Tape on it or something. Because duct tape, that'll never hold. That's probably been leaking a long time. A long time. Anyways, and that's back in the wall. You saw it. I had to cut the cabinet out and everything. Oh, well. Job security, bro. Do it right, man. Do it right. Or don't do it at all. Because I know some of you guys, as soon as you saw that, oh man, we just put some JB Weld in that hole. Are you wrong, man? What is wrong with you? Let's do it right, bro. So we're going to go from this, pow, to that. Cut it all out, man. Put it all new in there. Couplings on there. I eliminated the drain for the garbage disposal, so they were not separate now. They're one drain. Was able to get right in there. That's how we do what we do, man. And this is how I did it. we do what we do, man. Do it right. Cut it all out. Put all new in. Eliminated the drain going over for the garbage disposal. So it's all in one drain. This is all brand new. So that's what we do, bruh. So yeah, I know all the tricks. I could have siliconed that. I could have cleaned that hole up, siliconed it. Been good to go, man. I've been out. But then, well, if the silicone breaks down in the drain, doesn't bond because it's wet on the inside, you still got a leak, man. So if you're going to do something, you might as well do it the right way the first time. Just, man, we get paid by the hour, bro. Just do it right. See you on the next one, bro.